Congratulations, you got your loan approved. So now you got a few offers on the table. So you'll be wondering how to choose. I think a lot of people actually, when they apply for housing loan, they apply a few banks and then they got offer. They don't know how to choose, right? So I got the same question from a client, and the client asked my opinion. Bear in mind, for the client, it's easy for me to make a choice because I know the client. I know the client's financial capabilities, I know the client's business, the client's future plans, and the client's plans prior to even buying the house, okay? Because the client came to me and asked me to look at the financial profile. Of course, for consultation, our client paid for consultation, asked me to look at the financial profile, see whether can afford another house, even before going for shopping, okay? So for that case, it's different. For today's video, right, what I want to do is to give you like guidelines, like how I personally will do it, okay? So this is Kenny here from Problem Stories. Let's start. The one thing that you need to know is good news to all of us now is that the mortgage products any banks is homogeneous. Homogeneous products means that products has little to no differentiation from one company to another. In this case, from one bank to another. What it means is that bank A, B, and C, the products are the same, okay, nearly the same. Even these small features also you will not be using lah. It's just like using an iPhone here. I'm recording this using an iPhone. iPhone has more than 100 features, but I only use like what, less than 10. Okay, it's the same thing, okay? So you don't have to worry. You choose which bank that is comfortable to you, okay? That's number one. Since, like I mentioned at the start, the products are homogeneous, nearly the same from one bank to another, what are the determining factors? The determining factors will be number one, of course, is the terms and condition. What I mean by term and condition, you apply 90% versus the property price. Did you get 90% versus the property price or not? Okay? Example, 90% versus 500k is 450. But suddenly the loan come out at 400k. No, that is not what you want. Okay? So next one is the interest rate. Interest rate all the same, just take either one, okay? The first one, the most important one is the terms. Is it 90%? Is it 35 years? Is it what you want? Okay, anything less than what you want, don't take. You ask for 90%, they give you 85, don't take. Unless the developer giving you extra lah, or you get like a markup deal, but that is a story for another day. In general, what you apply, you get, that is where you consider the offer, okay? Second, like I mentioned, is an interest rate. Interest rate all the same, then just choose either one. Third one is that if you are a business owner like my client here, you might want to consider going to another new bank if you want to build a relationship with that new bank or the current relationship with this bank already established. What I mean is that you got bank A and B, right? So now most of your facilities are bank A. So you add more housing loan, another housing loan you take with bank A, you will strengthen your relationship with bank A. But next time, if you want to take business loan, doesn't mean bank A will give you no bank can actually satisfy 100% of your needs, okay? All the time. So perhaps you might want to take that housing loan with bank B, even though you do not have like much facilities, but you do have a little bit of facilities with bank B and you want to build relationship with bank B, you might want to consider to take bank B, okay? So I think that's all. I'm not going to touch about insurance. Insurance is something that you should decide before you even apply, okay? So the last part that is going to be differentiate all these offers is just the insurance package, okay? Insurance package, you should decide before you even apply for a housing loan. That's all for me. This is Kenny here from Problem Stories. I hope that guidelines help you, okay? I will not be taking questions of what is your opinion on bank A and bank B anymore, no more. I'm not taking this kind of questions anymore, okay? This is the only video that you need and the only video that I'll make is to give you the guidelines in general, okay? This is Kenny here from Problem Stories and I'll see you again next video.